Well, it's no South Dakota like our buddy Tanton. Indiana gets pretty cold too. At negative temperatures right now, actually. And horrible wind. The wind has really taken its toll on a lot of things, primarily trees. So I'm going around doing a little sawing today. And I got the 620 out for that today, so we'll see how she does. So yeah, it's this guy fell down, and hey, there we go. And then we got this guy here that fell down into the back of this house here. So yeah, there's all kinds of good fun stuff there. So nothing huge, but still a nuisance, and I'm gonna cut her up. So got the 620 Echo 620 with a longer bar on it today. I'm sure it can oil that. Heck, it oiled a 37 inch, so I'm sure it'll oil that. Anyways, nothing huge, but you know, we'll cut that up and have some more firewood, I guess. So yeah, just a little something here. Thought I'd show you guys. Turn on the camera and show you. Not a ton of cool footage or anything or loud music like you used to, but it is negative Fahrenheit in Indiana, and I am getting my butt back indoors where I belong. But hey, let's go over a couple of these old things real quick. Pretty wood, isn't it? Might have to do a little something with that. Maybe make some axe handles or wedges with some of these cut-offs, you know, like this stuff. They look pretty. But this here, these longer ones I cut up because it's hard wood, you know. So there's one there. It's not that big, but we're at 13, so yeah, 12, 13 inches. There's that, and that bigger one. It's all pretty solid. I mean, it's really solid. And we use that for some test cuts. And then I just bucked everything else up in firewood for firewood. So, all right, guys, until we meet again, stay warm.